Okay, what we're trying to do is we're trying to do this lesson, which is called I am your disease. We have to be working with borders, okay? And in order for us to put borders, what we have to do first is we need to type the document, okay? And then to put the borders, we have to go to page layout. Then we have to go to page borders. Please be careful in this part because there are two parts. One is page borders and the other part is border. You see it? Now for page border, you have to go there. Then you have to go to arts. Let's say you want to use an apple. Then you have an apple, but look where it says apply to, right? It's applied to the whole document. Okay, you click OK. It's going to apply the border to the entire document. Okay, I am your disease is made of 2 pages, not 3 pages, only 2 pages, okay? Now, something that, to insert the drop cup, you have to highlight the I for here. Then you have to go to insert. You have to go to dropped. You have to use the dropped, the second option. Okay? Now, if you're confused about the drop cup, we have a handout in the back for drop cup, okay? So you can learn how to do it. Now, I'm recording it right now, so you will be able to do it. Now, something important when you're working with borders is this part right here, page layout. In borders, please be careful with borders and page borders. Page border will apply the border to the entire document. And borders, you will have to use it only for paragraphs, okay? Now, let me show you this. For example, you have this paragraph right here, okay? I'm going to okay, we have this paragraph. I like to make you hurt, okay? You have to highlight this paragraph and you have to put a border. Now, I just show you how to put a border, right? You have to go to page layout, then you go to page borders, and then to do the borders, you don't use page border. You must use borders only, and then choose the one you want to use. Is this one, for example? Now, see this part right here where it says apply to paragraph. You click on OK, and it will apply, the border will be applied only to the paragraph, not to the entire page. Something else we have to do for this exercise is we have to insert cliparts. Okay? The cliparts, to do the clipart, you have to click on insert, you have to click on clipart, then you have these. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put the word I. You click on OK and go, and we're going to get different eyes. Let's say I want to use this eye for this assignment. I'm going to click on this one right here. The eye is very big. I have to go to the edges of the picture so I can make it smaller. I'm holding my mouse and I'm reducing the size of this picture. Something else we have to apply for the picture is the picture you have to apply. Once you get a picture or a clipart inside of a document, you will get the picture tools. The picture tools is something that only shows up when you apply or when you insert a picture. Look, I click on the white area. These picture tools disappears. If I click on the white area, Tom, it disappears. If I click on the picture, the picture tool is displayed. You have to click on text wrapping, and then you have to apply the through. Now, the through is pretty much what we need to do a lot of the assignments in this class, because the through will allow you to put text around the graphics, like this one right here. See it? Once you apply the through, you can apply it inside of the entire paragraph. Okay. Now, to put this icon right here, again, you use the clip art, and then we have to use the through feature. Then we can move it. And the rip or the tombstone will be done properly. Okay. Let me do this again. This one right here, you have to highlight it. Then you have to go to page layout, page border, borders. Okay. Right, you select this border, apply it to text, you click on OK, and you just need it for that. Okay? Now, the final part for this is going to be to insert the pictures next to the anonymous word. First, you need to type anonymous, and then you have to insert icons, or cliparts from eyes. These are eyes that you have to put next to each one. Okay? Now, this is not difficult. What you gotta do is you have to pay attention to what I have done. Now, if you have questions, please ask me in class. Okay? Now, this is the lecture for I Am Your Disease.